Looked out the window this morning, sunshine and blue skies, so I didn't wear a coat outside, which was not very smart.
It was actually still pretty cold though outside, George. It finally felt like February today.
It did. A little on the chilly side, which is what February is supposed to be all about. But today marks the end of meteorological winter.
Oh, big day.
Yeah, we got some more spring-like weather on the way after today. 13 weather ball is red, and that means some warmer weather ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by LaFontaine Ford Grand Rapids.
Join the 13 weather team for a behind-the-scenes information by texting weather to 616-559-1310, or you can scan that QR code for more information, and you'll get a little bit of behind-the-scenes look at what we look at. Lots of sunshine today, just a few high clouds coming in from the west. Other than that, we're just going to see another weekend full of sunshine. But it is definitely cold. We're at 35 in Grand Rapids. That's quite a bit warmer than yesterday at this time. 39 in Kalamazoo, still below freezing up along and north of US 10. But we have rebounded quite a bit, between about 8 and a dozen degrees warmer than yesterday, although couldn't have gotten much colder than yesterday. Got a couple of high clouds coming in from the west. Nothing of any concern as high pressure is in control of our weather pattern, but it is now just to our south, and we're going to see several days of south winds. And south of that warm front, it's back into the 50s and 60s. We're going to be up into the upper 40s to near 50 during the day tomorrow. Winds are going to start to pick up a little bit, breezy at the lakeshore. You notice the next weather system staying to our south. We'll start with sunshine tomorrow and then some high clouds later on in the day, but back to clear skies for Saturday and Sunday as well. But we got a cold front coming. This will be our one chance in the next 10 days of seeing some rain. That'll start on Monday right around the noon hour into the evening, and that will continue overnight before it quickly moves on out. So this is what we're going to see Monday. This is Monday. A lot of rain to the northwest up toward the Ludington area, but nothing before then. And this is all the way through the 10th of March. No snow here in West Michigan. Long-range outlook is calling for temperatures to be warmer here tomorrow. Mid-40s tomorrow. We'll hit the upper 50s on Saturday. Nice day to get out. And mid-60s on Sunday. And we could get close to 70 again next Monday. As I mentioned, long-range outlook seeing a warm-up from the 6th through the 10th. High chances for warmer temperatures and higher chances that we'll see more precipitation during that 5-day period. Tonight, though, breezy at the lakeshore, at least early on. Clear skies, temperatures right around or a little bit below freezing. Northern zone, you'll be in the mid and upper 20s under clear skies, and the winds will lighten up. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll dip down to around 29 or so. 13 on your side forecast. Even though we have lots of sunshine Saturday and Sunday, we're going to start to see some haze in the air. There's the rains Monday afternoon and Monday night. It'll end Tuesday morning before the sun comes out. Next week, we'll see highs generally in the low and mid 50s, not as warm as the 60s, but certainly well above average heading into the first week of March. So there you go.
Weekend looks really nice.
I know. I'm excited to get outside and enjoy it. Thanks so much, George.
It's the end of winter today, meteorological winter anyway, as we head into spring tomorrow on March 1. And appropriately, we're warming things back up. 13 weather ball is red. Warmer weather ahead for the weekend.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by LaFontaine Ford Grand Rapids.
Cool evening to walk of Findlay. Bill, going to give you the green paw as you head out, as temperatures will be in the low 30s. Wind's going to be a bit breezy at the lakeshore, but they'll come down a little bit. Green paw for Findlay in the morning as well, but temperatures a little bit below freezing, but warming up quite nicely here tomorrow. Almost as much sunshine as we saw today. Some high clouds coming in later on in the day should not affect that very much. The winds are going to start to pick up out of the south, especially where the turbines are located. 7.4 out of a 10-point scale. Mainly a sunny, bright blue kind of sky day, but still kind of chilly. Winds are starting to come around to the south. Just some high clouds on the horizon right now. Nothing of any consequence. All of the active weather staying well to our north and well to our west, but south of that warm front, it's warming up nicely. It's into the 40s, 50s, and even some 60s, and we're going to jump another dozen degrees here during the day tomorrow. Today, instead of being 40 to 45 degrees cooler than average. We're a dozen degrees warmer. Look out here, almost 30 degrees warmer compared to yesterday around Minneapolis. South winds will continue tonight. We'll start to see some high clouds in the afternoon tomorrow, so we'll start out sunny, but filtered sunshine later on. Those clouds will clear on out as that system we've been talking about stays well to our south. Another sunny day, even warmer as I mentioned on Saturday. Sunday, more of the same, just a few high clouds late in the day. That's out ahead of the next weather system, and this is the only one that will bring us precipitation in the next 10 days. It'll start Monday morning off to the northwest, be through much of West Michigan by Monday afternoon, and then it will quickly move on out. When it does rain, it does come down heavy, maybe up to an inch up around Ludington. This will all be Monday morning through Monday evening. And in terms of snowfall, I'm taking the models all the way out as far as they can go until Sunday, March 10. You can see very little, if any, snow as our snow drought continues on into March. Temperature-wise, we'll be in the mid-40s here tomorrow. We'll climb up into the mid and upper 50s on Saturday. Notice the winds out of the south continuing to bump temperatures up into the mid-60s by Sunday. Long-range outlook, still no cold air in sight. High chances we'll still stay warm for the second full week of March, and a high chance we'll see more precipitation as well during that 7-day period. Tonight, though, clear skies, breezy early tonight before the winds come down. You'll drop down to around or a little bit below freezing. North, you'll be in the mid and upper 20s under clear skies with lighter winds, and here in the greater Grand Rapids area, overnight lows right around 29. 13 on your side forecast. Plenty of sunshine over the weekend. Saturday, some haze starting to show up in the air, as well as a Sunday. Yeah, we're getting back into that season. 69 on Monday. Here in Grand Rapids, our rain will arrive in the afternoon, but depart on Tuesday morning. A little bit cooler, but still well above average. Next week, highs will be in the 50s, but right now it looks pretty dry. What a winter it has been.
And what a Saturday is going to be. We're going to talk about that next, George, but it's going to be a great day Saturday.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Oh, George, another beautiful sunset in West Michigan tonight. We've been really lucky because we've had so many recently.
We have had a lot of sunshine this month at Juliet, and the winter, meteorological winter, is wrapping up today.
Yeah.
And on the 29th
Of
because
February.
we needed one more day to enjoy what has been a very warm and snowless winter. 13 weather ball is red for the first day of meteorological weather ahead, and we expect this sunshine and warm weather to continue into the weekend.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by LaFontaine Ford Grand Rapids.
And I'm on my farewell tour. Our second stop is coming up tomorrow at the Home and Garden Show at DeVos Place. I'll be there live doing the weather from 5 to 6:30 and then hanging out until 8:30 in the evening. So come on down, enjoy the Home and Garden Show, and give me a shout out as you come on down. Temperatures today so far have been in the mid and upper 30s. That's an improvement of yesterday's low in mid-20s. We came within 1 degree of my forecast high of 36. 2 days in a row, we have been within our target range. Now for the month, this is how the numbers are going to shape up. It'll be our warmest February with 35.5 degrees, 8.8 degrees above average. It'll be our 17th driest or tied. 21st lowest amount of snow for February, and the 20th sunniest. So basically warm, dry with less sun and less snow and more sun. Had mainly sunny skies throughout the day, almost 100% from my calculations, but just some high clouds coming in. Tomorrow we'll see some high clouds come in later on in the day, but it'll be rain free and precipitation free, and skies return to sunny state during the day on Saturday and on Sunday as well. A few high clouds will come in at the end of the day. Our next weather system comes in on Monday afternoon. We'll see the rain here in Grand Rapids by evening, and then the rain will end Monday night. And that's the only time we see any rain here in West Michigan. And this is all the way through Monday. This is starting Monday morning into Monday afternoon, Monday evening. Only a couple of hundredths of an inch more on Monday night. And this is all the snow, not only through the weekend, but all the way through March 10. This is just a flurries probably coming out of that rain on Monday night into Tuesday. Long range outlook. This comes in at the end of the month. This is for the month of March. High chances we will stay warm through the entire month, with high chances that we will see less precipitation. So a warm and dry start to the season of spring on March. Tomorrow, nothing but sunshine in the morning, but high clouds coming in to the south, mid-40s north, mid and upper 40s from Muskegon southward, northern part of our viewing area, a mid-40s. We'll see morning sun, afternoon high clouds. It'll filter that sun a little bit, and we'll see that filtered sunshine here in the greater Grand Rapids area again in the afternoon with highs around 47 to 48. 13 on your side forecast. Into the 60s then Sunday and near 70 on Monday before the rain arrives in the afternoon. Moves out very early Tuesday morning. We drop into the 50s most of next week, but the average high only in the upper 30s, and it should be dry starting Tuesday afternoon through the following weekend.